In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bullet points in Photoshop. If you've ever tried to create a list inside Photoshop, you probably noticed that it used to be a little annoying because you had to manually type bullet symbols for every single line. That took extra time and made editing lists frustrating. The good news is that in newer versions of Adobe Photoshop, especially Photoshop 2023 and later, Adobe finally added a built-in bullets feature. That means you can create clean, professional bullet lists automatically, just like you would in a word processor. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can start using bullet points in seconds. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump straight into Photoshop and get started. The first step is creating a text layer that supports bullet points. In Photoshop, bullets work best with paragraph text instead of point text. So start by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard. Once the Type tool is active, instead of just clicking once on the canvas, click and drag to create a text box. This creates paragraph text, which allows Photoshop to format multiple lines automatically. Now type a few lines of text, each on its own line, just like a list. For example, you might type items like design tips, editing workflow, or social media graphics. Don't worry about adding bullets yet. The important part here is simply creating multiple lines inside a paragraph text box so Photoshop can apply the bullet formatting properly in the next step. Now that you have your paragraph text ready, the next step is opening the Properties panel where the bullet feature is located. If you don't already see it on your screen, go to the top menu and click Window, then select Properties. This will open the Properties panel, which contains many text formatting controls for your selected layer. Make sure your text layer is selected in the Layers panel, otherwise you won't see the correct options. Inside the Properties panel, you'll find several sections related to text formatting, such as alignment, spacing, and paragraph settings. In newer versions of Photoshop, Adobe added a bullets and numbering section directly inside this panel. This is the feature that lets you quickly turn regular text into a formatted bullet list without needing to manually add symbols. Next comes the easiest step, enabling the bullets themselves. With your text layer still selected, go to the Bullets and Numbering section inside the Properties panel. You should see a small bullet list icon that looks like a dot followed by lines. Simply click that bullet icon. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will automatically add bullet points to every line in your paragraph text box. Each line becomes its own bullet item instantly. If you add a new line and start typing, Photoshop will automatically continue the bullet list for you. This makes it incredibly easy to create organized lists for presentations, mockups, UI designs, infographics, or social media graphics. You can still edit the text, change fonts, adjust spacing, or style the list just like any other Photoshop text layer. And that's all there is to it. You now know the fastest way to add bullet points in Photoshop using the built-in bullets feature in the Properties panel. No more manually typing symbols or copying bullet characters from somewhere else. Just create a paragraph text box, open the Properties panel, and enable the bullet icon. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.